If you want to change volume on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, we have a couple of ways to do so. Over here, what we can do is you can go to settings, then we're gonna choose sound and vibration. And in here, as you can see, we can easily adjust the volume for media, ringtone and notifications, and the alarm. We can move left and right or tap anywhere on this slider in order to adjust the loudness. Simple as that. You can also press volume up or volume down in order to open the media panel, and of course we can keep pressing to adjust the loudness for media. But at the top here we have 3 dots, and this allows us to open this panel where we can once again adjust the volume for these things that we did in settings. And also if we go to control center or quick settings, here we have the slider for media volume, and if you press and hold your finger on here, you can also open a similar panel. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.